Semana. Uy, buhay pa, oh. Caballero got to it. One-handed toss-up. Tripachok. I'm going to like this name. Tripachok. Galing sabihin. Hello. Hanggang bukas tayo rito. Tusok sa backline. Ortiz decided that that was enough. Si Ortiz paborito pa yung gitnang-gitna. Ano. Janela got it. Airborne. Sige, Rina. Paluin mo. Nakirina yung bola. 21-17. Yun Dawis yata, tie din, no?
No, Dawis is
Filipino.
from Luchet. Dawis is from UE.
That's an interesting first name, Luchet. Kala ko tie din yun. Okay, she's from UE. That's nicely cleared up. Total, dalawang guest players lang naman, no? Na import. Ooh! I still love Angelita Baquero's smile, even nawawapoy siya. Still, she's a shining member of my All Smile Club. Natin. Ooh! Ayan, hindi smile lang ate mo dyan. Hindi smile lang ate mo dyan. Right?
Smile pa rin.
Oh, yun. Voice pa
Half smile.
Half smile. Kasi di ba, nawapoys ka na nga, sisimangot ka pa. Talo.
Oo. Double jeopardy.
Nasa TV ka pa. Ay. Parang ano ba? Di ba? You had enough time naman to do it. Semana, set up job. Yonko. Ooh, airborne. Very high. Naging free ball tuloy. Oh! She was wapoys there. Soraya. Janela. Wow. That was kicked off by the brilliant reception of the libero. That's Janela.
That's right. And of course, kilala natin lahat si Aiza Maizo.
You know what I love about Janela is that she has pride in her work. In the meantime, Saed will come in. Ooh.
Joy Benito.
Joy Benito and Saed. Now the All-Star game continues.
Exactly. Now you have a UST, a San Sebastian, an FEU.
And Lasal.
Lasal and Perpetual.
Sige, magkagulo na tayo.
Saya.
Yeah. Semana. Passes.
Good dig.
Oh, De Ramos got that over nicely.
Well, again, no, even if itong Cagayan is leading, it's a close match.
Lisa De Ramos thought that it would not stay down. It decided hindi na tumaas. 21-23 ang ating score. Maria Legaspi. Chisaet. Benito. Huwag ka nang bumalik, sabi ni Joy.
He barely got it over.
Cagayan now at set point advantage.
By the way, that's the place to be. You are there. You have a Facebook account. But are you with us on the V-League page? Join us, huh?
That's right. I remember looking at all the posts ng V-League nung storm. Talking about, you know, giving way to the coverage of the
baha, the habagat.
That's true.
Yung issues of national importance, siyempre, yun muna.
Yep.
Tayo hindi makalaro din at bahang-bahang Metropolis na. Ayun, tinapos na ang volleyball, ang set. This is a strong team, huh? They're pretty solid, huh?
They're solid and then they have a deep bench. So, mukhang mas familiar, no? Yung pag nanood tayo sa level of play, type of play, they're very familiar. And our shaky shake and play Tabaquero back in form, and Cagayan wins the first set 25-22.